It's a bit nippy. I'm down at the plots. It's really nice and peaceful, cold, but really nice. So I'm just going to spin you around to show you what I've been doing. So I've been mulching the flower bed. So this is cocoa chip mulch by Cocoa Coir Company. They kindly gifted it me. So yeah, I've mulched the flower bed. So these are the dahlias that I'm leaving in. So hopefully they should survive. I left them in last year and they survived, so I'll do the same again. So I just checked on my sprouts. They're doing okay, enjoying the frost obviously. So looks like I'll have some sprouts for Christmas at least. And take you down here because I've uncovered the garlic. Now it's nice and frosty, there shouldn't be any leaf miner around. And of course the frost needs to get to the bulb, so I've taken off the cover and I'll put that on again in March. So hopefully be some nice frost getting to these bulbs. All the beds are pretty well prepared. Got some carrots left in. Let's have a look. It's not too bad actually. These were of course covered as well, so they shouldn't have too much carrot fly damage. So I'll take that back home with me. Let's check on my peas. These are early douce Provence, so as long as I can protect them from the pigeons, I should get some early peas. Isn't it quiet? This is my allotment. There's about 210 to 220 plots here. Oh, is that a kite? Yep, Kevin the kite. It's lovely when it's like this. Right, see you later.